Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a wall mount cloud lamp from an MDF board. Here I have taken a 0.2 mm thickness, a white color big board, and this is quite big, so I'm going to divide this into two halves. And the first thing that I'm going to do is draw a cloud on the first half of the board and then replicate the same on the other half of the board. So here my cloud is ready on the first half, and now I'll cut this cloud from this board, and I'm going to draw the same cloud shape on the second half and then cut that as well. Now to make these clouds a little more cute, I'm going to put two small pink bows on it. So I'm using a pink ribbon here, and I'm going to cut it and make a small bow out of it. Here I'm going to color the clouds in white color. I'm going to use a foam to color these clouds. So guys, the cloud is ready. Somehow I couldn't capture putting the lights behind the cloud. So you can put some LED lights behind the clouds, and your cloud is ready. So now I'll be putting those two bows. If you remember in the last step that I was preparing for the cloud, I'll be putting those two bows here on the top of the clouds. Let's see how it looks like.